Get my ducks in a row. Get my mighty ducks in a row. Break ID number 29, free break 2015-16 SPX Hockey. One break with random chance at bonuses. We'll do the 2 randoms at the end for 2 different winners in Friday's bonuses. Affleck. All right. This is prior to being randomized. This is the list. Let's randomize it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Did you see yourself? See your name? All right. Here we go. Three autographs per box. Also not bad for free. Mark Savard. See what I can do. Will you be all right if it's autographed? Will that be okay? If it is and you don't like that, I can erase it. Or try to. I just use this. I don't know how much I'm going to try to do these names, by the way. Evgeny Medvedev, Flyers. Spacer. Sean Monahan. Insert. Spacer. Zachary Fukal, Zachary Goalie, Spacer. Tyler Randall, Spacer. They're in here somewhere. Base and inserts. Insert. Spacer. Wow. Are they going to be in the last 3 packs, 4 packs? Quad jersey. Derek Steffen and Henrik Lundqvist. Going to the Rangers. Bernard W. Base. Rookie Artifacts, Robbie Fabry. Out of 399. Baser. Rookie Fabric, Jersey, Artemi Panarin to the Blackhawks. Brent R. And a Kyle Bond auto out of 399. Also to the Blackhawks. Brent R. All right. Let's do the random. All right, we'll randomize this list 3 times, and we'll do that twice for 2 winners to go on the bonuses. 1, 2, 3. Dallas Stars. William B. And again, 1, 2, 3. Blue Jackets, Matthew S. All right, we'll get those emails right out to you, and you'll know which ones of those you'll be in for Friday. Give me a minute, we'll do the next one.